Hello Facebook, welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company, a wig store. We have the best glueless wigs available. We do custom color and we have these fabulous curly wigs right here. Hi! So I'm Janice, owner of Magic Hair Company. We are located here in Culver City, California, USA. We specialize in making glueless wigs. We have lots of different textures. We have silky straight, kinky straight, body wave. Right here we have our kinky curly texture right here. This is our tightest curl pattern. We get a lot of questions. Please show us the difference in comparison on the textures. So right here you see this is our kinky curly. This is our tightest curl pattern. It's still very, very manageable, as you can see right here. And this right here is our regular curly texture. So this is regular curly, which is a slightly bigger curl pattern, and this is our kinky curly. The reason I keep showing you the inside because that's where you can sometimes see the texture a little bit better, because you know when you're kind of playing with the hair texture, it changes on the outside. Actually, I'll just hydrate these. And so again, this is our kinky curly here. If you like this wig, this is a 16-inch curly. This is wig number 183. She's available at magichaircompany.com. This is a 16-inch kinky curly. I'm sorry, this is a 16-inch kinky curly. This is wig number 328 right here. This is a up close look at that curl pattern there. And this is wig number 183. So this is wig number 183, available at magichaircompany.com. If you are new to shopping with us, all of our wigs have a 3-digit wig number, and that's how you can find the wigs online or here in our Culver City store. So again, sorry about the confusion. This is wig number 183. This is wig 328. And if you want to see what our deep body wig looks like, this is a wig I made for my next trip, but I just canceled my trip because it's not safe to be out the house right now. So this is our deep body wave texture. This is one of my personal wigs. I'm about to cut the lace. This is a 22-inch deep body wave. We do custom color right here in store. So if you have somewhere to go or you just want to go out the house, you can get a custom made wig from Magic Hair Company. This is what she looks like. This is a 22-inch deep body wave, and this is how I requested it to be custom colored for me. Again, this is our deep body wave texture compared to our curly texture here and our kinky curly texture. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is hydrate these so you guys can really see what the texture looks like when it is freshly hydrated. The wig I currently have on is jet black and 16 inches and has a bang to it. This is wig number 212. So if you want this wig, this is wig number 212. This is where a 16-inch silky straight wig falls on me. Oh, let me hold still so you can see where it falls. So there we go. And so this wig is actually jet black. When you go on our website and you find wig number 212, you will find her in the natural color. If you would like jet black, just contact us today and let us know. And my shirt, I'll tag where I got it below. Can you guys see? Okay, yeah, so again, we are of course using our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. You can find this on our website, magichaircompany.com, as well as here in store. I mix that in this spray bottle. I put about like a grape size amount with some water and shook this bottle up. And that is exactly what we use to hydrate and style all of our hair extensions. So that's perfect for vacation travel. It's perfect for styling your curly hair, your wavy hair, your kinky curly hair. This is exactly what you need. When I introduced this product, I was specifically looking for something that was lightweight, would not, I have sensitive skin, so I wanted something that when it's against my skin, would not break my skin out. So if you were looking for a curl definer that smells wonderful and actually gets the job done, shop with us at magichaircompany.com or in store. Actually, we're all sold out of this right now. So our client who requested this video earlier, she bought our last one actually a couple of weeks ago, and we are currently restocking our curl definer. So we are currently all sold out. We will be bringing the hair care product line back pretty soon. So subscribe to our newsletter online and you will be the first to know about when we bring our hair care product line back, because every time we bring it back, it sells out. Hi. Okay, so definitely fully saturate the hair as I'm doing here. And now I'm going to brush this Kinky Curly wig through. Oops. I love the way the hair care product smells. Okay, you guys see this is our Kinky Curly. You see how easy it is to brush through. You see that curl pattern defining there. If you were looking for something that smells yummy, that's not too heavy to define your curly and wavy hair, this is exactly what you need. Let me make sure I'm getting these ends here, because I hate when I see hair out in the world and I can tell that somebody hydrated their hair in the morning but did not thoroughly saturate the curly hair. If you don't hydrate your curly hair all the way down to the very ends, when it dries, you can tell that it dried uneven. So you can't halfway hydrate your hair. You have to fully saturate it down to these ends right here. There you go. Hit that with a little bit of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. Make sure the hair is fully saturated. Super easy. Check out that curl pattern. And again, this is our Kinky Curly here. I just want to show you guys how beautiful our hair looks. So let me brush this side through one more time. And this also shows you the versatility of the hair pattern. So whether you want to wear your hair with this freshly wet look, or if you want to wear it more pulled out, you can get either one of those beautiful looks right here. And when I'm traveling on vacation, of course, I bring our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. Okay, so this side over here is fully saturated. Hopefully you guys can really see how beautiful this curl pattern came out here. And then this is the side over here that is still wet, or that's dry. So you see I'm just going to run my fingers through it. And that will definitely let you have a great idea of the different ways you can wear our different curl patterns. So this is our Kinky Curly here right now. So if you want to wear your Kinky Curly a little bit more bushy, just continue to run your fingers through it like so. Also take note that I did not have clumps of hair on my hand right there, because this is quality curly hair. You see that? You don't see any hair. I have one strand here, but that's it. And I am definitely running my fingers through this curly hair. So if you want quality curly hair, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Okay, so this side is saturated, this side is dry. So that gives you an idea of the two different types of looks you can get. So if you're like me, day one, I'll wear my hair like this, like so. And then as the days go through, I'll kind of wear it like this. So if you love this wig right here, this is wig number 328. Okay, so that's our Kinky Curly texture. This is a great texture if you want it to look like your natural hair. Go with the Kinky Curly, okay? So that's the Kinky Curly, and then this is the regular curly here. I'll wet some in the front, and that will show you the different texture comparisons. Again, we are unfortunately sold out of our Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier, available exclusively at MagicHairCompany.com, ding, or here in our Culver City store. And that's the same with our wigs. So do not be bamboozled by a Facebook ad that takes you to some website and sells you wigs that are for a price that is too good to be true. If it's not from MagicHairCompany.com, it's not a Magic Hair Company wig. We're currently open here in our Culver City store. Our current hours are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We do prefer that you make an appointment. To make an appointment, use our chat feature on our website. Okay, so we sometimes get the question, how can I place an order with Magic Hair Company? To do that, you can, there's a few different ways. So you can go to our website, MagicHairCompany.com, or you can make an appointment to come shop with us here in store. To make an appointment, you can send us an email. Our email address is magichaircompany@gmail.com. To make an appointment, you can utilize our chat feature on our website. So when you go to magichaircompany.com, the chat feature will pop up. Yes, it just pops up when you go to the website. And somebody will connect with you shortly. Absolutely, that's one of the ways you can contact us. And then you can just set up an appointment, say, hello, my name is, whatever your name is, and you would like to schedule an appointment. Let us know the day and time, and we'll let you know if that day and time is available. We do kind of prefer appointments right now. That way we can really just accommodate everybody. So if you need some sort of styling or anything like that, we can make sure that the right person is here to style your wig for you. Again, I am using the Magic Hair Company Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier. We do have a shampoo and conditioner. All of our products, except for the shampoo, is completely sold out right now. And there she goes, tumbling down the counter. But we will be restocking in August. This right here is our regular curly texture. So this is what the curly looks like. This is our curly. This is our Kinky Curly. I should wet some more of the curly so they can compare a little more. Okay, so back to, what was I talking about? How to shop with us. So you can go to our website and select something right off of our website, and that unit will be on its way to you. We will probably call you to confirm your order, or you can come shop with us here in store. Our clients really do prefer shopping with us in store because then they can look and feel and smell the texture of the hair. And when they do that, that's how they know it's quality hair. Also, we will go with you, we'll go over maintenance of your wig. If you're unfamiliar with how to take on and off your wig, definitely we'll go over that with you. So you see how here I did not completely wet the ends of this curly hair here? When this dries, it will dry uneven. So ladies, when you are hydrating your curly bundles and weaves, make sure that you hydrate the ends. So let me get closer. So you see, it's not fully saturated at the ends. Can you guys tell? I don't know. But definitely I will fully saturate the ends here, because if you don't, when it dries, it has a weird look to it. And that's with any type of hair. If you don't fully hydrate it, when it dries uneven. So definitely wet all the way down to the ends. And there you go. This is perfect for vacation. Any of our curly textures. I love wearing curly wigs on vacation. The Kinky Curly, our regular curly, our deep body wave, and sometimes our wavy, just because you don't have to do anything to it but simply wet it. So again, I have hydrated our Kinky Curly over here and our regular curly over here with the Magic Hair Company Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier. And this is the texture comparison here. Okay. All right, guys, let me know if you have any other questions below. This right here is our curly texture. You see how beautiful that is. This is wig number 183. This is wig number 328, our Kinky Curly. Both are 16 inches. This over here is our deep body wave. We custom colored this one. This was going to be my vacation wig. All right, guys, so if you have any more questions on how to place your order. Also, we do custom coloring here in store. So if you see some custom color, whether on our website or anywhere, screenshot it and then we can duplicate that color for you on any of our wigs. We can almost do anything. We have a lot of 613 wigs. We have our 1B wigs. We've done most of this coloring behind us right here in store. We have amazing custom colorists. Give us a call. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. We are here in Culver City, California, currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Take a screenshot if you like a specific style and you don't know what that wig number is, and then send it to us, and then we'll say, okay, this is wig XYZ, and we'll go from there. Let us know how we can further assist you. If you have any questions, visit us at magichaircompany.com and utilize that chat feature. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I am Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, Glueless Wig Store, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. Thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter because we're currently having a sale for 15% off online on our website. Subscribe to our newsletter to be the first to know about all our sales, discounts, and promotions. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.